In this video I will show you how can you find your saved contact number from your Google. So it's very simple. What you have to do, only have to follow my steps. So for finding your saved contact number from Google, you have to simply go here and have to open your email app. You can see here I am on my email app. After come here on your email app, you have to simply click here your email or Gmail profile, or it's also your Google profile. Then you have to click here simply Google account. You have to simply click here Google account. After clicking here Google account, you have to side scroll down for some times, and then you will can see here option called people and share. You have to simply click here people and share. After that you have to click here contact. You can see here you have how many contact you have saved in your Google. You will find that I have simply saved 2 contacts, so I got 2 contacts. So you have to simply click here on the contact. After clicking here contact, you will can see this kind of page will be appeared, and you will can see here your 2 contact. But in your case probably they can be asked for you can be asked for given your email password. So you have to simply give your email password first, and then you have to come in this page. But if you forgot your email password, then I have some video on that topic. How can you recover your email password? You can watch those video. For your better understand, I will put those videos link in my description. You can watch from my description box. So thank you so much.